What it do, gang? Back with another video, man. You just not tuned into the channel, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn that bell on at the top so you get notified every single time I drop a video, man. If you saw the title of this video, yes. Only second in the world Hellcat that I know that's twin, well, Hellcat Charger. I know that's twin turbo, bro. But y'all know it's my boy D, man. I talk about him all the time on this channel, man. He done pulled up and I finally get to see this freaking beast in person, man. He had it built in Texas at Jack Fab, but you know, I'm gonna let him tell y'all all that, man. But this is my first time seeing this car in person since he got it back, and boy, I'm stoked. So I'm finna park over here and see where he at, man. And oh, he over there. There he go. I'll be back, y'all. Give me 1 minute. Y'all can see, man, I finally got the chance to see this car in person, man. I just got to give y'all a walk around real quick, bro. First of all, let me get the full view for this car, man. Look at this jump, bro. Now I remember his old setup, man, but if you was there for the old setup, then you already know I ain't got to talk about it. But we want to talk about this new setup right here, man. Listen, don't ask me to go into details. Don't ask me no specs. I don't know. All I know is built motor Hellcat with twin turbos. Y'all see one. Y'all see two, but bro, look at this build. It's crazy.
Attention to the pits, attention to the pits. If you did not get a check call,
I think so. We had a little no prep, man, right now, but I think they finna get ready to go up there or whatever. But just wait till you turn this thing on, man. He don't want his face to be in the camera, so I respect that, man. Don't know. He said everybody got to remember who Batman is. So I mean, bro, I don't know the specs of this car. All I know is it's a built block, built motor with 2 twin turbos. I don't know the size. I don't know nothing, man, but built motor, twin turbo, Dodge Charger Hellcat. So when he turn this thing on, bro, I got to get y'all a video. So let's just wait. Oh my God, bro, that much, bro. Do y'all hear this? Bro, boy, that junk sounds, man, that car sounds so good, bro. Oh my God. Nah, he had it, if he had his old setup, he could have definitely did a street car. See. Yes, sir. Man, so listen, man. The car done ran 3 passes, man. And the first pass, the second, like you can see, like the first pass was just nothing, man. Filling it out. Second pass, made some adjustments. Boom, it took off. As you can see that last pass, bro. That last pass, he was out of here, man. I ain't saying no times, I ain't saying none of that, but just know this boat quick. This boat is quick. Man, like, she cooling down right now, man. And you know, say might do about 2 more passes, man. Might do about 2 more passes.
If you don't run
and call it quits, man. But I'm telling you, this car is quick, bro. This car is fast. And this the man right here with the sauce. This the man that make everything happen right here, man. This the man right there, man. That's the guy Nick, man. Hey, he the one who tuned this car. Bro, I wish y'all can see and hear what I hear, man. Like this ain't no regular. This ain't no regular, bro. But yeah, man, he's gonna do about 1 or 2 more passes. But yeah, I just wanted to get y'all. I had to. Man, he told me he was coming down here, bro. And I talked to him on the phone like last week. He didn't say nothing about it. But then he told me he was coming down here today. I was like, hey, I had to go. I had to go, man. But hey, man, y'all stay tuned, man. More footage coming soon, more videos coming soon. And I got a surprise for y'all too. So y'all stay tuned. I ain't said nothing yet, but I got something coming for y'all way, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Meantime, between time, but y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, man. Turn the bells on so you get notified every single time I drop a video, man. With that being said, man, meantime, between time, we out, gang.